Wow. Hi, where are you going? Where are you going?
Ba't naging 6 yan?
Ay, nag-video, hindi ako makita.
Dali na! Oh, ay, oo. Bye-bye, hindi na ako magsama. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, so let's eat. Guys, gutom ako. I need rice.
Study by adhering to certain methodologies, to certain processes that are aligned.
For this competition will be endorsed again to DOST Philippine Council for Health Research and Development or the PCHRD as Video 9 representatives. Correction, tatlo palang winners, no? Merong third, second, and merong winner yung capital na WINNN. The third placer is awarded to the research study entitled Development of kamote noodles. The second placer is awarded to the research study entitled Formulation of Liquid Organic Fertilizer a winner
Dito.
will be receiving a plaque of recognition and a cash prize of $8. Now the winner for this year's oral research
In
paper
vitro.
competition student category goes to. So, pangalan na naman mauna. Basta winner pala, pangalan na. The winner for this year's oral research paper competition student category goes to Mr. Okay. Mr. Jonathan In vitro.
Pinanginginig ako kasi may tagig pa siya. May tagig. We're here at our DST Research Summit. Nagutom sila. Frynog. Magkain daw sila. Wala kayo nag-eat kanina?
Kunti lang.
Pero ito na.
Pero nag-eat.
Sige na.
Ay, tawag na.
Cool ma to? Fried chicken. Hala. Mushroom, pancit, and rice.
Ito flavor.
Bemag. We can assure that.
Okay na, unboxing. Uy, Jonathan.
Mag-chat pa talaga sa bebe.
Uy, kay Jose
Ay.
Buti pa sa'yo mais pagkaribo.
Sorry, Joe.
Reklamo mo ng waiter.
Oo. Para narinig niyo yun, i-post daw, be.
Ang DST.
Feeling ko magka-iPhone.
Okay lang man din ano.
iPad.
Pero syempre, mas okay pag iPhone.
Mas okay if gadget.
Tapos gano'ng malong.
Uy!
Maganda ang malong.
Yeah.
Maganda kayong malong kahapon. Sa bahay.
Okay. Sure ka, Jo?
Binigay ko sa nanay.
Hindi pa unboxing. Hi guys, anong masasabi nyo?
Wala. Look, guys.
Smell? Okay. It smells.
Mga parang gadget.
Parang iPhone 13 Pro Max.
Are you ready?
Ano sa tingin
Meron
mo?
siya, ano,
Ano
Jo?
sa tingin mo?
Um,
Wala lang. Ako,
Notebook.
school supplies.
Oo, ganyan.
Feel ko...
Feel ko journal.
Ano,
Journal
hindi,
notebook.
feel ko ano siya, lahat, ball pen, pencil.
Hindi, pag may ball pen and pencil, parang isa, maganda na.
Pag talaga makakuha ako ng gano'n na school supplies.
I-ano nyo muna, i-shake-shake.
Tingnan niyo. Marinig niyo yun?
Or feel ko tumbler.
What if?
Feel ko
Ang laki
tumbler.
niya, pero parang hindi siya mag, guys. I can assure that.
One, two, three.
Ah!
Wow, na tumbler!
Tumbler.
And umbrella! Wow, nice!
Definitely we're gonna use this sa butuan.
Nice, nice!
Yes.
Ay, kabong.
Pero sa iPhone. Thank you po.
Pabulong ng iPad.
DST.
Anong masasabi mo?
Thank you.
I'm very much grateful for this.
Ikaw,
I can use this later on if there's gonna be a heavy rainfall.
Kung meron ka na exposure of
Subscribe.